mic was not on. Let me just check that. Ah, yes. Okay. Mic was not on. So pre-market high levels 24,789. Midnight open 24,783.5 and pre-market low 24,540.5. Yeah, as you can see, this 9:30 my opening bell drive play, we took advantage of this candle, but it kind of chopped upward for the next 3 minutes. If this 9:34 candle was the 9:31 candle, we would have held it. We would have held. Technically, this is still within our parameters of our stop loss and take profit, but maybe I do need to have one when we are in this play and it doesn't reverse, because the reversals are pretty steep. They do hurt a lot. So that's why I take off a lot of the positions, especially if I have a bigger position size. Definitely want to be capital preservation first. Okay, this is a good kind of setup right now. If we can get back up to pre-market lows, that would be awesome. Pre-market lows, just like a random spike up and then bang. That's a $2 move now, and the more it kind of chops down here, the less likely it will want to do that. Based on where I want to see, based on just what's happening now, definitely there's no reason why you should be thinking there's a bounce. If you're trying to catch a falling knife, do not do that. Coming from somebody that would trade random stuff, see, you have gotten smoked right here. Yep, you had the stop loss right here, and then it just have taken you out. Yeah, take it from someone who has been trading a little bit of random price action in a way, like when we were going up in the summer. I would just take random stuff like that, but not anymore. No longer interests me. I just don't see an edge. Made so many mistakes in the past with that. I was saying when my mic was not on that I would not be able to hold this move technically in my elevated position size. I just don't have any FOMO for it because it doesn't fit. You can see here in the NQs that it just didn't retest smoothly. And our chart smooth like that? And will I miss some entries like this one? And if it does continue with follow through like right now, yeah, I would. But I also know that if it's more clean and I can just read it like a textbook, that the best trades for me are the easiest one for kind of just my personality and my style. Technically, this does still fit in the plan though, so if this happens more in this kind of regime, we're still in higher highs, higher lows. We're still very bullish, but at any point, things can change. Things can begin to turn, and the things working before no longer work before. So, woo, yeah. Oh man, 941. Okay. See how the candles look. Yeah. They were like, what's FOMC? Ha ha. Yeah. It just looks very unlikely that it's gonna reverse, so. Oh man. Might just be a one trade and done kind of day. Oh yeah, I was looking at a Tesla. Tesla's orb. It still has this 114 level. PM. Oh, nuts. QQQ is like, what's FOMC? Man. Yeah. This is if I took a pre-market low break retest right here and been aggressive, that would have been a nice one. Still looks like it wants to go down. Do not catch this falling knife. I just cannot. I just haven't set up a system that takes advantage when the move's already going. Because where's the risk reward? You know, is it right here? Is it right here? Those aren't the spots. Those aren't the spots. I think the preparation in trying to identify where you should have the best risk reward is pre-market low, low of pre-market. I guess if there is key levels in the past, you can take that like FOMC high. But yeah, we need an uppie right now for me to take anything. Oh man, 14 minutes has passed. We can do 50% retracement. It is actually 24,500, so it needs to come back 80 more points. Actually, it will have been right here. I'm okay with 80-point retracement, and then it just nukes down again. That would be the next risk reward on my end. Just another fade of this level. Yep, 84,500. I like to trade the orb with a 50% retracement. Let's say it continues to follow through for whatever reason right here. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of that. That for me feels like a why wouldn't I just get call it short here and just have the stop loss somewhere. I don't know. Of course, since this is a little bit based on key levels of the Fibonacci at 50%, so I will take a numerical stop loss. 10%. I'm a little bit lax with it, but I do have a stop loss in check, and you have seen in my previous live streams that even though the trade goes against me, I will press the button. It's better to keep everything in striking distance, a small loss versus like pure FOMO at that. So yeah, right here we have it both here on the 1 minute chart on QQQ and NQ. There's 590 on QQQ, 24,500 on the MNQ. I wanna see as price approaches this levels and interacts with it, does it bounce off? So does it get faded? We went nuclear. Okay. So far, there's not a lot of activity happening. So let's see what happens here. This is the rebound. Okay, just lost about like 50. I still wanted to go a little bit more. Okay, not gonna. You want to go up. I know you do. You want to come up and retest these. Yep, nice. Okay, let's see what it does here. This is the spot. This is the spot. Let's see what it does. If it reverses, so this is gonna be my stop loss right here. A small position. Nope. We're out. Okay. We tried that. 2. I think I'm done for the day, guys. No need to risk anymore. Man, what a V recovery. JPM is holding. JPM is holding. The Qs are recovering. It looked like a pre-market low. Ready to retest, but because where the Fibonacci is, and we still don't have 10 a.m. news. Oh, that was the move I was waiting for. That was the rejection. Do I want to get back in? That was the rejection play. Oh my goodness. And now it's printing. Printing. Typically for the orbs, since they have a great win rate, I am usually at elevated position size, so I just protected my profits on that move. Yeah, no need to risk the whole farm if we already made our bag. So I was 1 minute too early. 1 minute too early. That's a nice play. Oh man. Oh, what a nice play. 50% retracement, nice. I don't feel the need to add any other positions, guys. Really trade a great trade in the first 2 minutes. We attempted this one right here, but a little bit too volatile for me. Well, not volatile. The price action wasn't the cleanest. It wasn't the cleanest, so we ended up taking a small. Ended up taking a small loss. Well, actually, a regular stop loss, and then yeah, now it's going. Now I already printed away, and now right now it's just kind of gathering energy. Now I'm in kind of leopard tiger mode, just stalking the NQ, waiting to pounce to see if there's something worth happening. Okay. Tesla still looks like it's setting up something, or Reddit looks like it's setting up something. I can wait for the next candle for Reddit. I don't get points for being early, and this is a good risk reward, $1 to take this trade. So because it's underneath kind of my key level, and NQ is still weak, so I still wanna fade this move. Be patient, Angel. You have 2 more minutes. See if it'll trap any more longers. I mean, yeah, potential longers up here. Some trap buyers, and then just kind of nuke all the way down to 224. Yep. Nice. No, don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. No! I was not ready. Damn it. Damn it. Well, that trade idea is botched. Damn it, I wanted to short it at the 230 level. Oh, okay, very good. Come back up. Oh, yes, good. I wanted to knock it out, so maybe I'll wait another 5 minutes. I'll wait another 5 minutes because the NQ just didn't print a lower low on the 15-minute chart, so that's actually a bullish sign. So gonna wait another 5 minutes. Let's see what happens of it. Very bullish, but I think this is short-lived. The level I wanted to really test is this 230. What's high of day? 230.66. Okay, retesting the orb short idea again. I'm not used to trading equities that don't have a lot of volume like Tesla or the Qs, so yes, the price action like this that just jumps slightly freaks me out, but if the pattern's right, I'm okay with it as long as it's hitting key levels that I want it to hit. very bullish. Let's see. Okay, now it's at pre-market lows. Let's see if it wants to get faded a little bit. Oh, NQ is not agreeing with it, so difficult chart to trade. The NQ is not going in the right direction. I cannot fade this Reddit move. QQ is not fading, so I don't have true confidence in this trade. I need it to be weaker to get back up to. Oh, it's at FOMC highs. Okay, let's see. FOMC highs. Let's see if it'll keep going or if it's gonna take a little break. FOMC highs somehow kind of correlates with pre-market lows, so I can still scan here. we should be more bullish now, but still underneath the levels, cannot fade the move. Once again, JPM remains the ticker in play for me. All-time highs. Excuse me. All-time highs. Reddit is still... It's weaker. It's weaker than some of the other names. Just gonna stay patient here. If anything, you fade the high of day here for Reddit. I want to make sure I'm following the indices. So. Yeah, we're bullish. We are bullish. Unless it closes underneath here, I really cannot take any position. Let's just take a look at the cues. Yep. Huh. I really waited for that one. Okay, 10-14. was just the wrong idea. That was just the wrong idea. Alright guys, we are officially done. As you can see, aside from the first trade, we just kind of were twiddling our thumbs and just kind of took a loss. We just took 2 losses. I knew that things were just looking a little weird. Yep. So we just ended kind of, yeah, with a $431 gain. Pretty nice. But alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, helps the channel out so I can keep on updating you guys on this journey and just provide as much value as I can. If you have made your money today, consider taking the day off or sizing smaller. But right now we are in a little bit of an uptrend now. Yep, Reddit has broken that. QQQ, FOMC high. It did a little break retest and continued on forward. So you are long now. There is no short position. Maybe there are some weaker stocks that are not following this move, but do you really want to trade that? You want to trade with the momentum. So Reddit's part of that team. Qs are obeying that. JPM is obeying that. Tesla's actually a little weak, so that's not in play. UNC's a little weak, not in play. Datadog is still not in play. It's not able to conquer some key levels. Let's see, Hood. I didn't take a look at Hood, so I'm not sure where it is in position of the chart. But yeah, so I want to take a hard look since I'm tuning off right now. But alright guys, catch you guys tomorrow.